Hello, good day, good whatever time you watch this video. Welcome to this video. Today we'll be learning development in Pidgin English. So the concept now for teach web design, web development using Pidgin English. So all throughout the course now Pidgin will talk for the video then. So may language not be a problem to anybody. So we'll just start as a talk. We'll do web design. So we'll talk about web development and how to make website demo the same for internet every day. Okay, to begin, we'll just start. We'll talk about the what, the why, and the how. So the what we will see first now, web development. When you have web development, actually it be in two parts. Because most people get the concept say if you know be do science for school, you know be a scientist, you never do mathematics, physics, all this language, then where they all these things they no say language, all these things the way they be require say maybe you solve, calculate up and down, you know if you do anything for IT, it be totally false. That's the first thing I want to make you understand. So it be totally false because all my feeling how to make website, it just depend now for which level you want to make website. Now the level now they determine whether you need for know how to calculate, and even that calculation itself, you see if you write computer code where you know be specialist, you know be a pure mathematician, where some person we just did might take example like you get architect and maneuver, or they call them locally, you get architect and builder. Architect they draw the plan, he go talk say for this side we go put cement, so we go put it in, so put and so put and so put and so, then builder go just can apply to a architect don't do them. So for IT world you get that kind differentiation then too, you know must be specialist, and for IT world even that builder too they still make good money. So you must not be a mathematician or some scientist for be able for do something for computer or like program. You know, must need that skills. Okay, now as I talk this video, we will talk about web development. Web development be divided into two parts as you see from this screen. You get for here, you get front end development, and then you get here back end. So when you hear some person say he be front end developer, it means say now he be that person where he be in charge of doing that part for website where you see wait till you see when you visit some website. So the part where you see and wait till it happen for back. Do wanna wait till it happen for back. Like when you don't click some form, you go for Facebook, you say maybe create account, you put all your information, you log in, you click login. Maybe when you send message for person, wait till it happen. Like for WhatsApp, when you send message, wait till it happen for back end. When you click say you want to make video call, where you send picture, wait till it happen before that picture go for person where you send them. Some person they way their own job that it be in charge, and he take care of what they happen for behind the scene. Another person go they way now he be in charge of waiting the same that part, that physical part for Facebook when you open Facebook for computer, that physical part where you see or any website where you go visit them. The physical, that visible, not physical, the visible part where you see them when you open some website. Now that part where they call them front end. The back end, as I don't try to explain them now the two way they happen, the logical thing the way they happen, all the calculation that people there for back end they handle them. So for this course, we go first start now with the front end part. If time they must say we see the way the course they go if he reach back end. Now some person when person will be in charge of this part of the SIAM that they call it front end developer, and what you need for know now HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, you get for know this element them. Then the person way for back end, plenty language in there. When we talk about back end, plenty thing then they. Some person they choose just learn two, either okay. Some person they learn plenty, either okay, but you get at least one where you know I'm fine when they actually say you fit do it for which language. You tell you say okay, I be a Python developer, I be a Java developer, I be a C developer, this and that. They will tell you, but when you don't learn one, you understand the way computer they work, you feel easily learn the others one or the other one them. So for back end of here, as they talk logic they did. Now you get some people there that they do all the two. Means say yourself if you should down, it decide you make this front end to where you go to see them, then you again you go make this back end to handle all the logic them. So that person now that they calling a full stack developer. So he be a full stack developer. He do all thing where he see for website. He start from A to Z. If you program thing kind thing then. So that person they call a full stack developer. So I hope so you don't understand this explanation. If you get any question, just write for the comment section for this video, and I go bring in clarification if you get any doubt. So now when you come here, why I don't choose for make this thing in Pidgin English? The first thing I say, I want to help anybody where you want to learn. I want to help anybody where you want to learn the thing, because for the first thing where I be start when I miss I want to learn the thing, it will be very complicated. Firstly, the teacher them you see man instead of can teach you, it instead make you know say he get sense. He show you kind thing they will do something for computer. Then you wonder how they do them. You know they explain and you just show you say be computer wizard. Most of us who do secondary school, we know that kind of thing that they call on computer kind product, they call on computer wizard. Even me when I enter university, so I want to learn programming, it will be easy for the beginning. It will be very challenging just because no be say the thing be difficult, but now the way that they teach them, that's the first issue that. So I want to make this video, I will explain to the basic level where any man with the hear Pidgin, if you hear Pidgin and you fit type, so you press something for computer, so then I want to teach you the way you feel use yourself, you make website. So nothing complicated, layman language. So the reason, as I told you, firstly, and I have to help anybody who want to learn. The second one, I say the word go digital. The word go digital, what I mean, I say today you will notice say all man na internet. We not get right for the complaint say maybe people they abroad, they take all job them, they do this, they get this, they do that, they thief what in them. Maybe we not get machine them for they do some kind, maybe for make motor for open company they make motor now go be very difficult. You need a lot of initial investment. But for be a website, maybe be a platform like Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, all the kinds of things, you just need now your brain and you need some investment them for buy maybe hosting, do advertisement, but you know go reach the one way you will need them if you want to open some company where they make motor, for instance, you know go need them. So the world go digital, and we to be capable for tap into it. We don't the industrial revolution, we don't leave it for back. Me will not leave the digital era to come, and then we'll do for back. Now the second thing that I want to make people understand, I say learn how to code, means a program computer nowadays. In the nearest future, it could just be like reading and writing. I remember if you don't talk with our parents, you know, say for their time, if you be feel read and write, they could give you job. If you be feel read and write, you will get job. Today, people they don't go university, they don't go come back. You see, they've been a bike rider for Cartier. Not been for insult them, but you look and say the man don't go school, so go kind school, then come back see the Cartier. It be very very disturbing with all that knowledge. Now, me say for people ready to get work, you need extra. Now for the future, knowing how to program computer will just be a normal thing, like you need to know how to read and write. Me say they know they ask you when they want employ you, they know they ask you again like you know how to program, they will directly assume say you fit program computer. You know, will be like I hope so you understand. You know, it'll be like say okay, you go put them for your CV like you know how to program computer, like say you go be some added value. They assume say all man know know how to program computer. The next partner say for now, so if you easily get below for any site for the world, if you know how to program computer, if you get below any side. So that's the best. If you see things like people like India, man, no say thing, people like Indians, them, anything computer they did it. And most of them they work from India, they work for company they out of India. Anything now because I be start for the beginning, they be take that time, they should don't learn. Any man will be computing. If you go internet, you want learn something, you will know say anything you want learn how to do this thing where you concern IT. You will see an Indian man they explain them how to do this, how to do that. Why? Because in the beginning they be don't take that time, all man she don't, they learn them. So that's one thing to what I want Adam for here. So this course, as I talk, it will be in the basic layman. So person way already know something then if you just looking for refresher, because within the line as I talk, the course would be in many parts. If you want to actually see this part, cover this the whole of this, it will take very long time. So within the line, any man go to see position where he fit, then he will start follow from there. So if you see you want follow, you want learn, just subscribe for YouTube and Facebook page, YouTube channel and Facebook page for low faxer as you see I'm the right over here. You go find me for Facebook, YouTube, even Instagram, LinkedIn. We did it. Just find out so you will see me for the. You subscribe and anytime we video come up, you could be informed. So share the video with anyone we think say he need this or we think say if he help him, because as I don't talk, we get for learn this IT, but will not be left behind. See you in the beginner course where you go be now. We will start with this one, HTML.